Today we're going to learn how to automate job application screening using AI and Make.com. If you're a hiring manager, then you know that keeping track of job applications for your organization is a stressful and time-consuming role, especially when you've got to read each and every resume and form an opinion on the applicant. While the hiring process for any industry requires good attention to detail, there is one part of this process that can be automated: resume screening. Opening and reading each and every resume doesn't have to be so time-consuming. Instead, you can get a summary of each applicant's resume and find out if they're qualified for the job. Today, we're going to show you how you can build an automation that does exactly that. The first thing we're going to do is add an Airtable module, and our action is going to be the Watch Records action. We'll be working with an Airtable form to gather our candidates' information, and we want this automation to run the moment a new record is created in our table. Let's pick our base, select our table, pick our trigger field, select our label field, and finally, pick our view. Our next module is going to be the Dumpling AI module, and our action is going to be the Extract Data from PDF action. Our file input method is going to be a URL, and our file is going to be the resume URL from our Airtable base. For our prompt, we're going to ask the LLM to extract information from our resume like employment history, skills, and major milestones. Let's save our scenario and test out our automation. We'll hop on over to Airtable and fill out our application form first. Now we can run our automation and check our results. Our automation works so far, and our results look promising. We're going to add another Dumpling AI module, and our action is going to be the Generate AI Agent Completion action. We'll head over to our Dumpling AI dashboard and hop into the Agent section. There, we're going to create an AI agent specifically to summarize the extracted data from our candidate's resume. We're going to copy and paste a prompt we've written beforehand. This prompt is basically telling our agent to summarize the candidate's resume details and pick out key findings like the candidate's educational background or their programming skills. One of the most important parts of our prompt is going to be the note we attach at the end that outlines the skills and qualification we're looking for. This is really important. For our agent to know if our candidates are fit for the role or not, it's got to know what the criteria is. For our demonstration, we're keeping this section light, but for your use case, it should be as detailed as possible. We'll copy our agent ID and paste it in Make.com. Our role is going to be user, and our content is going to be the result from our previous Dumpling AI module. Lastly, we're going to add another Airtable module, and our action is going to be the Update a Record action. We're going to pick our base and our table. We're going to fetch our record ID from our first Airtable module. And the only table we're going to update is our candidate overview section, and we're going to update it with the generated text from our Dumpling AI agent. Let's save our scenario and hop on over to our Airtable base to make sure we don't have any new records yet. Let's fill out our form for the last time. And finally, let's run our scenario. To recap, we're watching Airtable for new job applicants. We're extracting data from our applicant's resume. We're evaluating that data with our AI agent. And we're updating our Airtable base with a summary and overview of our candidate. Our scenario has been successful. Let's hop on over to Airtable and see for ourselves. As you can see, we now have a summary and an overview of our job applicant, with our AI agent letting us know if this candidate checks all of the boxes in our criteria. Rather than going through each and every resume that comes your way, you can save precious time with this automation and find out whether or not your candidate is the one you're looking for. Remember, this is all reliant on our AI agent's prompt, and it's important to list the qualifications you're looking for clearly. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.